Most of the schools in the Philippines, particularly here in Iligan City, are just using traditional ID system wherein as long as the students wore their ID they can easily enter the school. The problem of this is they cannot thoroughly check each of one student that enters if they are actually residing in the school. It is also hard to track students as they enter or leave the campus. Because of this, incidents like group fight inside the campus, persons got missing in school views being blamed, kidnappers and intruders easily entering the school causing scenes are most likely to happen. Although there is one school here in Iligan City that uses another type of ID system, which is the St. Michael's College. This is just one out of many schools here in Iligan City that has a higher level of security when entering the campus. So we decided to innovate their idea of its system and create a prototype that is cheap and also has a higher level of security. Introducing RECO-BUD, a Raspberry Pi-based two-factor authentication ID system that helps to identify, track and also store students' log data. The product's main function is to identify student and track their log data through scanning of their fingerprints and barcode embedded in their ID in order to ensure school safety. Instead of using Arduino as the main component of our prototype, we are planning to use Raspberry Pi so that our prototype can do multiple functions at the same time. It has two authenticating methods, thus it can avoid any mistakes in situations. It has an alert system that activates if there is no match information detected with their IDs or fingerprint in our database. Presented by Caliso, Jazla and Christini. Orvilla, Javoles. Ricasosa, Ryan Nicole P.